Today, we talk about
What it do. Figured I'd give you all an evening look of some progress. But while the light is still out, figured I'd give you a little more views from the 6. This place looks gorgeous at night. Just want to start off with that. Let y'all know how we do, how we been doing. Hey, New York. The reason it's so dark is because I literally have no lights. So working on getting those now. I got a mirror. Dude. And then this has been my workstation. So I set up 2 stools here. This chair, luckily that I'm so thankful I brought because I literally have no other furniture. My workstation, coffee, but no coffee machine because I screwed up ordering it on Amazon, so it'll be here later. Constant piles of Amazon-ish. Oh, finally got a cooking set and a trash can. So that's go. I've been using these for trash cans for now. Brought my protein, got some essentials, showed you all these. The knife set should be clean. Washed off a bunch of dishes I bought, or glassware I bought, finally. Got a little portable fire extinguisher type thing that my buddies recommended I get. And then this whole kitchen set. In red, because it's my favorite color. And a bunch of tools I've never even seen before, like a single egg fryer and all that dish, so whatever. Here's one pile of the shoes. I'm just getting things organized here. Here's the bed. Here is the dress shoes all lined up. AOA. Fucking mattress had to do it to them, you know, thing. It's actually fairly comfortable. Oh, I've already started to get some of the materials for my smart home that they're going to come install. And then with this bedroom, the clothes are airwear. I've been starting to organize the closet and all that. I actually have to do more of this. That's been kind of chilling. And I've got the mirror. There's no lights up here, unfortunately, so there's nothing built in. I'll have to just figure that out, what I'm going to do. And then for the bathroom, I set up some mats in here. I got some ish going down that I'm working out. Oh, I got some Guest shampoo, soap, and body wash. A fogless mirror, which will be helpful. Some more supplies I did put in. Actually, there's lights in here. Did put in one of those little shower caddies. So we got that going. Dude. And then for now, I set up shop in here, which is going to move, but I set up all the shoes. Very organized but unorganized. At the very least, I was able to put the pairs together, which is key, because I had put half the bags in left bags and half the bags in right bags for the photo I was attempting for the full collection video that didn't go well, that you guys will hopefully see some footage of soon, but for now, that's what it is. And yeah, that's about it for now. Yeah, so things are coming along, but still quite a ways to go. We'll see you soon. Bye.